For over a decade, a powerful partnership has been transforming the landscape of diagnostics in Bangladesh. Today, we celebrate 11 years of exclusive distributorship between Snibe and ABC Corporation, a journey marked by innovation, reliability, and a shared commitment to healthcare excellence.
It's been an incredible 11 years. At 2014, when we started our business with Snibe, we recognized the potentiality of Maglumi cutting-edge CLIA technology. Our vision was to bring the best diagnostic facilities in Bangladesh, and together we have successfully positioned Maglumi as the #1 CLIA analyzer in our country. Currently, we have over 600 analyzers installed nationwide. This achievement reflects the dedication of Snibe and ABC Corporation.
We have always focused on two main things: a dependable supply chain and top quality products. We have invested significantly in our infrastructure to ensure that all healthcare facilities across Bangladesh have timely access to Maglumi reagent and consumables. Snibe's commitment to quality manufacturing perfectly aligns with our own rigorous quality control process. This ensures accurate and dependable diagnostic result for patients. Eventually, this helps us to reach this landmark. We believe standing on this benchmark, our partnership will advance to a new era.
It's truly an honor to celebrate our long-standing partnership with Snibe. For more than 11 years, we have been working together to deliver advanced CLIA solutions to laboratories across Bangladesh. On behalf of Advanced ABC Group, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Snibe for their continuous support and collaboration. We look forward to strengthening this partnership further and achieving even greater milestones in the years ahead.
We understand and believe that seamless operation is vital. Our dedicated team of highly trained engineers and application specialists ensure comprehensive after-sales service, including installation, maintenance, and prompt resolution of any technical issues. We also provide extensive training to the users so that the user can maximize the capabilities of Maglumi system. Our commitment is to provide uninterrupted quality service to all our clients.
From its speed and reliability to the comprehensive support provided by ABC Corporation, Maglumi has become an indispensable commodity in the labs of healthcare professionals across Bangladesh, playing a vital role in accurate and timely disease diagnosis.
We look forward to many more years of successful collaboration with Snibe, continuing to bring innovative diagnostic solutions to the people of Bangladesh.
Snibe and ABC Corporation, powering diagnostics, transforming healthcare in Bangladesh.